Hi. You guys probably can't see me at all, can you? Because it's too... I wanted to take it, at least show all my friends from down south what it looks like to drive through a blizzard. All right, so the first thing you need to do, okay, is turn on the happy switch. I don't know if you can see that. That's the 4x4 kicking on. Then we'll just see. I ain't gonna mess with this too much. All right, here we go. So you guys can see what it looks like to drive around in a stinking blizzard. The things I go through for excellent videos. Oh, you got a little music behind it too. So if I put the music that I can listen to, I'll probably get DMCA'd. That's alright. I'll listen. I'll put something else different behind it. This is the ambulance. You guys got stopped, don't ever hear that go. This way, you can four-wheel drive. I'm parked up on a hill right now. Or that four-wheel drive, I would stay here and grab truck. Okay, that's the part of the trip I like to call clearing the ice off your windshield wipers. Yeah, let me get a coffee, milk, no sugar. Large. Nope. That's the part I like to call getting a cup of coffee.